nipa kakra bi na bi o madwe course say na say budget here dey abai ya na share Netflix you use DS
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe who be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be who be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Nipa kakra bi na bi o madwe course say na say budget here dey abai ya na share Netflix you use DSTV ane ya to normal online say na yam ya no maba wa djuma mu dia no obi wo Ghana no order normal wo Nigeria na dia bre no ababa wa pese otwonyi e wo South Africa no order na dia bre no ebinum kra order enwi ni bi e wo sebe Brazilian hey ebinum order bi wo Thailand yenu no maba wa na wo university
ozo ni be be ton nwi pa
o say yenu maba wa yenu maba wa no ana me wife so ya baba wa enti nobody be ha me
say oni be be ton nwi
djuma dia course sesia wo yesu apon say sabe awofo sika dey support to school no enso enti yenu no maba wa ne mrante mo apekwan bi so a mo so didwa kakra e woda no makra no madeba na Aban de bibia hye budget ni ma obe introduce ade bia fe no cross border VAT eye VAT akodwom koto ade a na de bia to so ama na de ayesi no yani are using Netflix DSTV ya woda normal wo Thailand ya woda nwi normal wo China Nigeria Togo na omo de brain no Aban pekwan bi so age esika e wo ho na sa cross border VAT no amaman bebre empe enti enka omotas anase VAT structure system no Ghana de ya de ba be ya adwuma se na wotwe mu parliament je budget ntuma sa na Aban we pese de ba akada obetua VAT na hodo mienu na kwakọ ye double eno no eyesa Aban hwe ne ye eyesa e de ho kire kakra e be break Ghana fo ye to so bi wa menu akoka ya na budget no na ya ade na wanje sika foforo ne enye ade foforo wo Ghana ha look eno ma be break cost so se ya asisi pen ya anye ho dede ya no mkra de omo ye ne kakra bi na omo trem kan be break. This is not the first time Finance Minister be the budget akọ parliament na ose men Jessica foforo you wa kan for at time e ko so Ogya media review make 2023 okay page 3 of the 2023 media review budget paragraph 18 to 21 kan for at Jessica foforo free Ghana for the demand no and wa kohoma and what the boy it is an Atto Forson so called parliament now I say budget media by me Jessica foforo enya de foforo bi as say ye ka say yentonum emfre no afre so yes economy no agro $100 billion into your yensem Emma President Mahama Aban and Atto Forson. And also and your first time Ghana economy grow beyond $100 billion in the year. 2024. First time Ghana economy hit 1 trillion and above. 1.2 trillion. 2024. You restructure on debt ka say yama Aban bread na on to asa ekano. Say na ye tua enya de foforo bia wan san say can of rent na or structure or restructure your debt no. Ansa na mo ba no na debt ni bia mature de di kan na watua de etoso mienu na watua ansa na Akufo-Addo hand over mamo de etoso me sakura Akufo-Addo tua ye it is amaba na mo so batua de etoso nan de etoso no mu a sebe previous we no ne wa ne de enya ade bia enwa na cardinal ade pa asese ye hwe ne ye ne se ye betima akeka yensem nyina na inflation kofom na sabe GDP kosoro GDP a okay a 6.5%. Can of rata ya na mo pese mudi na temle MPP Aban. Also why 6.5 ono ba na afia dika we 8%. Akufo-Addo na afia toso mienu oya 7%. De atoso miensa oya 7%. O ba ko ni mienu na wanya 5 and 6.5 no. Wo se yantonyo mfro. Na budget ne de. Minister be radio. Ebi no be yo mo de. Wo be ka ya na ya. Can of rata budget dikan. Aboso kan fo nyina abosi Ghana. Asa wo kan. na Ghana for budget so adentia ono ne budget di kan no eto mako edunson na Akufo-Addo Aban yi free ho ana wotete so de ma Ghana for mo buy mo budget di kan mo de to mako enwotwe na begu Ghana for ko mu enti de mo ye ne nei akase kura si ama abroso kana frata ya budget o Ghana ha eti import duty so by 50%. Eti import duty on vehicles so by 30% o Ghana ha mo buy mo nya sa de ni bi na ade ba ko me pese Ghana ni bia atwe na adwene sesu ne se yesi banche enya eja na beye den ebekire se ne Atto Forson 2024 wasi o inflation hu ya wasi o economy ya grow nominal GDP 1 trillion kra enye no hia e Ghana for botum ene hia ja sada no moka afa de ne de almost ya inflation and na mo ka se inflation yes ndede de gitino en kra krom ha ukoto entos baako e ya 10 Ghana cedis kana entos baako e ya 10 Ghana cedis se ne unkita 50 Ghana cedis and 100 Ghana cedis a untimi mfan toast enya bomu e wo fie ma obusuafo ni anu amehia baba bi wo so no de jollof kra wajadi sanse toast o mo de be jollof no munya sika no ma yede o mato yati ha ne yenu no
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akra bi de ba yi o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintehu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintehu eta woto na ushri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asamba fa we afutuo obi asamba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asamba susuka na me me sreba wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJ K sasai enim guase we ya wagu ne ho hey, DJ K nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a mese me DJ K no minim de ntia mese me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo mese baby a wo no ankasa no baby a isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wunti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJ K na wuni nyanza sene hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wuni nyanza sene hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a anza ya ne yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye wo no ene wo na ho hye wo no me say Kamila Al-Hassan ba bi owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne ye part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obete aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K misese wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wo no yenkoka no ano a emmeka wo no yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad say ya wide we say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impuyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say people for Akromfo. Name Akromfo to sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals, na mo so mo ya Akromfo. Akromfo to facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya Akromfo. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by John Dramani Mama, so all members come to Mutuana. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more peking sika. It's a mamma papa naba, or mamma kinka, and mamma added a mocum. You will come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not, if I say, and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only a king and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Banama boom, 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 much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear go your credit menu now to me who let be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.